Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in pure white non-metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch Suzuka style alloy wheels with the two-tone finish really complementing against the pure white non-metallic exterior colour. You also have a tow bar which allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the race cloth and San Remo microfiber upholstery finished in dark magnetic grey. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan round again you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your volume controls, hands-free options, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 43,187 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. A navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. And you also have front and rear parking sensors, making manoeuvring and reversing in those difficult parking situations so much easier than before. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have. This has been a presentation on the Volkswagen Tiguan 2.0 TDI R-Line DSG 4Motion. It's now available to purchase from Motor Match Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.